All right, and welcome back to this week's episode. Really quick one. It's not going to be more than a few minutes. We've been looking for a solution to cover these bottles here, just from general wear and tear. I know that they're built and designed to work outdoors, I get that, but just for general wear and tear. And we came across a website, an Australian-made company called Drifter. Look, we don't know them, but we came across other caravanners, and they said these are really good products. It's a canvas, so it's like dry as a bone, made in Australia, and it's designed for our bottles. You can get all different sizes, 4, 9 kilos, 2, whatever you get, and in a variance of colors. You know, red, there was a yellow, there was an oat, there was a gray. We got black to match the checker coat. So what we're going to do today, I'll do a bit of time lapse. We're going to install it. Here we go. That's the first one. Let's do the next one. So one of the main reasons why we got them is we're not keen on swap and go with our bottles. These bottles came with the van. They're certified to a very high standard. Instead of giving them to a swap and go at a servo, we don't know if people have been knocking them about, rolling them down hills, who would know, right? So we want to keep our bottles. So we want to keep them clean, where all the connections, where the fittings are onto the bottles. We want to make sure that that doesn't get gummed up because of weather and all sorts of different odds and ends. So we just think that hey, look, outside it looks pretty smart, right? Matching colors, diesel fuel tank, top lock box, and then we've got our canvas. This is an oil canvas cover, and it looks pretty smart. And the company's called Drifter. I'll link to their website here. In fact, here's their website now. And so that's just a really quick video just showing the installation of these new to us Drifter 9 kilo gas bottle covers. Yeah, pretty smart. Cheers. See you in the next one.